Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Saurambai bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Chief Minister funds livestock interest-free loans, machines and toolkits in Pahang, Dema, West Garo Hills. Sengjay Sangma seeks government relief funds on the damage caused by Shillong cyclone. GSU demands Nehu to reveal the provisional list of selected candidates eligible for the admission. And Meghalaya TMC formed the Mahila Block Committee in Tura. And now the news in detail. To promote the sustainable livelihood at Pahang Demdema in West Garo Hills, the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on the 1st of November distributing funds, livestock, interest-free loans, machines and toolkits to the beneficiaries, producer households across the district. The Chief Minister disbursed funds amounting Rs 9.77 lakhs was transferred under Focus Plus Farmers Welfare Program to 977 producer households, 1,800 piglets distributed to 450 beneficiaries and Rs 1.40 lakhs was distributed to 4 youth groups under YES program. On this day, Rs 10,000 each free interest loan was allotted to 10 weavers and also distributed tailoring machines to 15 trainees of tribal attire and solar tool kits to 15 solar technician trainees. Sengjay Sangma, one of the affected people from the Shillong cyclone on the 1st of November, appealed to the Chief Executive Officer of Tura Municipal Board to release a grant of relief fund under the State Disaster Management Fund as her house has been damaged from the storm. Sengjay Sangma from Balsrigitim Police Station, Dobasi Para today informed that since her house had been completely destroyed from the storm, she and her family for time being they are taking shelter in neighbor's home.
Gajalan gachi tu. Ya, bera rangan.
The GSU CEC President Salman D. Sangma on November 1st wrote a letter to the Pro-Vice Chancellor of Nehu regarding the admission policy to an entrance examination. Speaking to the media persons, Salman D. Sangma said that the Department of Law on the 25th of October 2022 published a list of candidates selected in the program according to the merit under various different categories, and within 2 hours, the university suddenly tampered the first published notice. The union claimed that the selected list has been manipulated after finalizing the same. Sangma said that the union have been observed that the Department of Law has been tampered the economic backward area score, which is not according to the prospectus and against the norms of admission policy. It may be mentioned that as per the prospectus, the total scores should be maximum 20th EBA. The Meghalaya Trinamool Congress on November 1st has strengthened its base in the state with the recent formation of the Mahila Block Committees in North and South Tura. Speaking on the occasion, the President of Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Trinamool Congress Committee, Selmadi Shira said, "I wholeheartedly thank all the mothers who have turned up in unity despite having significant works. TMC is the party that has got strong frontal wings, and the Mahila wing of the party has been extremely enthusiastic." Meghalaya TMC West Garo Hills District Convener Richard Mrong Marak said that the response they received all over the state is overwhelming, as women from across the state have been showering their support for the party.
China simangara ya michmarani grup kora increase ka adu kang kugen ma
increase ka adu wangken daude kali ya tudani block ke gini kusen cengar dakhuinga mahila committee in all constituencies. Kadung ade susok obong chomaken maina da o mande rang ni chichi kon ken chmode misongba Trinamool Congress ko nang nakinga na simang ya badi dana jagang da o present government na mande rang ko takchakinga mande rang na kusi ani kon enga mande rang na job kon enga warang ko na sumba nakinga ro every day and protest tumagon rally ne agane against the government. Nakayong anigaman man din ang interest pa da o towards the TMC bisong ba nging ane ang ade nagkaro susok ba nging ang ni kadungan ide kana.
The Meghalaya State Olympic Association, in collaboration with the government through the sports department in the past few months, they have been in constant quest for young athletes, both boys and girls, who are exceptional in all fields of sports under the supervision of Ian Campbell from Australia, who has also been an Olympic champion. The working president of Meghalaya State Olympic Association, John F. Karshieng, said that, according to the report sent by Ian Campbell, a total of 200 players, 100 boys and 100 girls, have been found in Meghalaya having special talent in sports from all the 12 districts of Meghalaya. Further, he informed that Ian Campbell has suggested the government of Meghalaya to train these chosen athletes to become refined players in different games that they are exceptional at.
They have been overall performance. Can you report on life of Rangut ki contain? Life of Rangut ki contain Habaro district. Habaro we district kila mare mo hakani 20 meter sprint. Kila mare Kamstep ban ya kata international benchmark. The international benchmark haka 4 meter sprint kila bu can take along 5.5 seconds, 3.5 seconds. The lalap bagi don kena antai ni is mo life of Rangut kila kamtam mani ni ka benchmark international benchmark. Klem training, klem cakap nak kai ko biak. Namta kila bu life second ya ki kena sendang. Mo te ki shamba katsawut ki kena sendang haki babun ki district. Mo katsawut ki kena haki babun ki district ki kila mare cup step ban ya kata life second.
So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until meet again, thank you for watching.